Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the PCCOOLER CPS C3D510, a mid-tower case that's making some serious waves in the budget-friendly PC building scene. This case aims to deliver high airflow, impressive aesthetics, and broad compatibility without breaking the bank. First impressions are strong. The C3D510 features a clean, modern design with a large tempered glass side panel that showcases your components. The front panel incorporates triangular elements, adding a touch of visual flair. The white finish looks great and should fit well in most setups. The case feels sturdy, thanks to the 0.7mm SPCC steel construction, while the tempered glass is a respectable 3mm thick. Airflow is a key focus here, and the C3D510 comes pre-installed with 3 RGB fans. These fans not only provide decent cooling, but also add a splash of color to your build. The case supports a variety of cooling configurations, including 360mm, 280mm, and 240mm radiators, giving you plenty of options for liquid cooling. For air coolers, you have a generous 170mm of clearance, accommodating most high-performance coolers on the market. Inside, the C3D510 offers ample space for components. It supports ATX, MATX, IDX, and even EATX motherboards, making it a versatile choice for different build sizes. There's plenty of room for expansion, with support for GPUs up to 390mm in length. Storage options include two 2.5-inch SSD bays and two 3.5 HDD bays, providing flexibility for your storage needs. The case also features 5 expansion slots for additional cards. Cable management is decent, with routing options and tie-down points to help keep things tidy. The front panel I/O includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, as well as microphone and audio jacks. A dedicated LED switch button allows you to control the ARGB lighting effects. Overall, the PCCOOLER CPS C3D510 is a compelling option for budget-conscious PC builders. It offers a combination of good looks, solid airflow, and broad compatibility. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive cases, it provides excellent value for the price. If you're looking for an affordable case that doesn't compromise on performance or aesthetics, the C3D510 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.